Hi guys, charity shop, gold or garbage, Yate today. Got myself a wooden kit. Looks very familiar. I think I've done one of these. Probably not so long ago. It looks slightly different. Still, $1.99, a big kit. And that'll keep me happy. It's only 2 sheets of plywood. So it's a big one, but not many pieces. 3D vintage puzzle. Sorry, 3D puzzle vintage car. Manufactured and imported by Hobbycraft. That's probably why it says Hobbycraft on it. Okay, so yeah, £1.99. That'll go into my stock. Same charity shop, St Peter's Hospice. I have done these before, but I just thought I'll put this one together because I recently 3D printed a car that looked very similar to that on my Put a Rubber Band on It channel, where I put all my rubber band powered projects nowadays. So have a look on that channel and you'll see it assembled. Because the channels are out of sequence or out of synchronization in the videos, this will be live on that channel probably two or 3 weeks before you actually see this video on my main channel. That's just the way it is. They're out of sequence. And that was £1.99 as well. A little bit more than I wanted to pay for it, but that'll be okay. Better have a quick look inside, check that everything's there, and I keep forgetting to do that when I'm in the charity shops, then get home and find bits are missing. That looks new and unused, still rubber bands. So I'm 99% certain, probably 100% certain I've done one of them before. And then, next thing I did, and I've already looked at this, which is why it's not in the packaging, I went into CEX. Is it Computer Exchange? Something like that. Keep looking in there for electronic stuff. And I bought myself a 8 terabyte external drive. I bought one last December for this year, and it is full. 8 terabytes this year. And I was thinking of not bothering to save all my old files anymore. And then I thought, I can't go without saving them. I do find that I have to go back every so often and dig them out again. I have already plugged it in and checked it. It did come with the proper connectors. But I've already got connectors in position on my computer where I just link them up when I need to check old files. I can't remember how many terabytes of memory I've got now, but that's another 8 on top. CEX Yate. £100 I paid for that. The one that I bought last year, I bought from Amazon, brand new, and that was £155. They did have some 12 terabyte ones that I rather fancied, but I managed to talk myself out of it. I think they were 150, 12 terabytes. But I thought I'd risk it. I'll try a second-hand one. I don't use them continuously. I'll just use them as archiving. So it's not as if they're going to be running continuously and I'm using them all the time. And that's it. That's today. That's today's charity shop gold or garbage, plus a little bit of relatively new stuff. While I was wandering around Yate shopping centre, I did have a look at a shop called What that I do look at quite regularly. They open and close. They're seasonal, and so they got their Christmas stock in there. And I'll put a little short video up. They've got radio-controlled cars in there. Shelf price shows them as £4.99, but the actual label on them is £2.50. They're only little ones, about this big, and I bought a few similar ones in charity shops recently. They're good fun. They're nothing special, but at £2.50, they're cheap enough to buy just to get the receiver out of them and the controller if you need to fix another car. So yeah, there'll be a little short on that. I might add it on here as well.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.